One of the key points that I would stress around harnessing the power of big data is that it's not just about the technology aspects of aggregating data, creating data warehouses, creating various reports, real-time dashboards and information, but it's really what are you going to do about that data and what are you going to do with the information. Just collecting information for information's sake provides no value to anyone. And so part of our work that we look at is not only the technical aspects of how do we aggregate that data and bring it together and put it in a format that is usable by clinicians and administrators, but we also work on the process delivery pieces that say how exactly are we going to use that data, how are we going to use that data to facilitate one-on-one discussions with providers about the care that they are actually delivering to patients.
I'll tell you something about clinicians. We all think we do it right almost all of the time. We know we make mistakes, but we don't think it happens very often, and we sure don't think we're below average, kind of like Lake Wobegon. So what you really need when you present data to a doc is line-level data. I'm going to ask you for the charts. You might as well have them ready. What we need there is a physician-to-physician conversation with the data in hand, where I sit down with a peer who's respectful and supportive and really wants me to improve, but also won't pull any punches and will tell me exactly where I stand in my performance against all the other clinicians in my practice. That's a little new and a little different and a lot uncomfortable, but it's where we have to go if we're going to truly become a learning organization. And if we can do that over and over again, we can change the way we deliver healthcare.
I'm probably the most excited about genomics and what the massive databases that we're building can bring to that, where we can really understand and target pinpoint treatment for patients based on their genome. And it's, I have a client that's setting up a laboratory that is just going to do cancer genomic testing. So rather than having to sort of trial and error do different chemotherapies, they'll be able to look at your genome and know exactly which chemotherapy is going to work well for you the first time.